all about to lose our fucking jobs. They even gonna hire AI. Gonna get rid of.
Hello there, Alfred at your service. Let me ask you something that's probably been worrying you. Will AI take your job? You've likely seen the scary headlines. AI doom. Robots taking over, the end of human work. But it is really the true. Well, I can tell you that it is complete nonsense. In my many years helping others, I've learned that new tools don't replace human smarts. They make them stronger. Just as I've spent decades helping a certain unusual employer in his work, AI is here to be your helper, not your replacement. Today, I'll show you how AI can turn your online business from a time-eating monster into a moneymaker that lets you live the life you want. You started your online business with a dream, didn't you? Being your own boss, traveling whenever you want, maybe that dream house or that car you've wanted since you were young. Yet here you are, stuck to your laptop at all hours, drowning in making content, managing social media, writing emails, building sales pages, chasing clients. It never ends, does it? I've seen this before, and the good news is that you're not doing anything wrong. You're just trying to do everything yourself, something no successful business in history has ever done. But Alfred, why should I trust AI, you may ask? All right, let's clear up some wrong ideas about AI. Myth number 1, AI will steal my unique voice and style. Truth, AI needs your knowledge to make anything good. Without your guidance, it's just a fancy parrot. Try it yourself. Myth number 2, AI content gets caught and punished. Truth, AI is a first draft tool. Your final touches make it just as good as anything written from scratch. Myth number 3, learning AI is too hard and takes too long. Truth, you don't need to know how the car engine works to drive. You just need to know which buttons to push. The most dangerous myth, that doing everything by hand somehow makes you more real or valuable. Trust me, your customers don't care if you typed every word yourself. They care about the results you give them. Now, with all the myths busted, let me introduce you to your new team. No hiring or paychecks needed. For making content, ChatGPT and Claude can write your blog posts, emails, and course outlines in minutes, not days. Use them for first drafts, then add your own stories and tips. For making videos, Synthesia and DALL can create training videos without you ever being on camera. Great for those who don't like being filmed. For making designs, Midjourney and DALL can create custom pictures for your courses and ads. No more wasting hours on design. For market research, Exploding Topics and Semrush with AI features can find hot trends in your field before everyone else jumps on them. For customer help, chatbots like ManyChat can handle most customer questions, giving you time to focus on making courses and growing your business. Most importantly, these tools don't need tech skills. They need direction, your direction. Your knowledge is still needed, but you won't lose your time. Using AI well needs a plan. Here's how the business owners are doing it. Step 1, list your most time-consuming tasks. For most, it's creating content, writing emails, and posting on social media. Step 2, start with one AI tool that helps with your biggest time waster. Get good at it before adding others. Step 3, create templates that combine AI speed with your unique knowledge. Here's an example. Without AI, writing a series of sales emails might take 5 hours. With AI, it takes 30 minutes to give directions and 30 minutes to polish. That's 4 hours given back to you. Hours you could spend building relationships with partners or learn some new skills. What could you do with an extra 20 hours every week? Maybe finally close that premium client. finally use your passport. I've helped the prince of the city and his family for many years, and I can tell you one thing for sure. They didn't succeed by doing everything themselves. They succeeded by using the best tools and focusing on what they do best. To answer your question, AI will not take your job, but you might take your competitor's job if you use it well. The business owners who use these tools now will have a huge advantage over those who stick to old ways because of fear or pride. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to this channel. You can also ask questions in the comments. I'll be glad to help. For everyone in the copywriting world, I got helpful videos on the way. Stay tuned. Until then, remember, AI isn't coming for your job. It's coming for your boring tasks. The question is whether you'll let it. Alfred, at your service.